Right, we have a triangle here and we're looking to find the size of the missing angle x. We know that this one is 90 degrees because it's a right angle. Find the size of the missing angle. Well, all three angles, internal angles in a triangle, add up to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees will equal our 90 degrees plus our 48 degrees plus our x degrees. So what's x going to be? Well, 90 and 48 is 138 degrees plus x, and we have 180 degrees on this side. So if we take away, if we throw the 138 across, we get 180 minus 138 degrees equals x degrees. 180 take away 138, say 180 take away 140 would be 40, and the wee 2 there. So I make it 42 degrees. 42 degrees equals x, and that is the size of our missing angle.